How to change Roblox chat name tag color. In this video, I'll show you how to change Roblox chat name tag color. Changing your Roblox chat name tag color isn't a manual setting. It's actually determined by an algorithm based on your username. And here's how it works and what you can do. How Roblox determines name tag color. Roblox uses a fixed algorithm that assigns a color based on your username string. So think of it like a Minecraft world seed. The same username always produces the same color. This applies to usernames, not display names. So can you change it? You can't directly choose your name tag color. To get a different color, you need to change your username, but that's not guaranteed to give you the color you want unless you test it first. So you can go ahead and use tools such as Roblox Name Color Predictor to preview what color a username will generate before changing it. So if you're customizing chat colors in your own Roblox game, you can use text chat service to override default colors for players. And that is how you can basically change Roblox chat name tag color.